Welcome students. Today we are going to introduce a very interesting topic. Look at the images. Image number 1, image number 2 and the image number 3. So what comes to your mind first? Actually in the image number 1 and the image number 2, the bullet and the balls come back to the surface of the earth. But in the image number 3, if the rocket is launched successfully, it will never come back. So what makes the difference between 1, 2 and 3? So it is the gravitational pull of the earth, because we are considering here earth. So I am talking about the gravitational pull of the earth. In the case number 1 and the case number 2, what happens is the gravitational pull of the earth is responsible for the bullet and the balls to come back. No doubt in the case of the rocket also, there is a gravitational pull, but that pull is lesser than as compared to that of the push that is provided by the chemicals burnt over here. So that push is greater, so which is responsible for the rocket to launch successfully and will never come back to the surface of the earth. So here comes the concept of the escape speed. Escape speed is nothing but is the minimum speed that is needed for any object to get out of the gravitational pull of any planet or the surface. It can be considered as an escape velocity because that speed is related with the some direction. So that's why it is called velocity also. Here are the two images, very beautiful images. If we look at the first and the second case, the speed is lesser than the escape speed. So it will come back to the surface of the earth. Here we are considering earth. So if the speed is greater than the escape speed, it will never come back. Similar to this situation, the rocket will go out of the gravitational pull of the earth and will be launched successfully, will never come back. So now we formulate the escape speed. It depends upon the G, M and R, where G, M and R are nothing. These are the parameters of the earth only. Actually, they are not, like escape speed here is not dependent on the object properties. It depends only on the planet properties, where M is the mass of the planet, R is the radius of the planet, G is the gravitational constant. We are talking about the earth, so we'll consider all the parameters of the earth. As we know, acceleration due to gravity is given by Gm by R square. So using this formula, in this we get V escape is equals to under the root of 2gr, and by using the different values we can have the value 11.2 kilometer per second, that is fixed for all the objects. That means any object when thrown with the 11.2 kilometer per second will never come back. This is the situation with the rocket. In the case of the rockets, what happens is there is a push that is provided by the propellant, and that push provides the escape speed of 11.2 kilometer per second. But in the case of the bullet and the balls, it's not possible because there is no external push. So this is the reason why rocket doesn't come back. Such kind of the details will be given in the next lecture. Thank you.